Design and Gestalt principle, visual illusion. A visual illusion will occur when our perception differs from the actual stimulus presented. Illusions are natural artifacts of the way our perception system works. The components of an object or its surrounding elements can distort the perception of an object, resulting in incorrect interpretations of what is visually presented. At times, our visual perceptions are wrong. Our visual comprehension is derived from a complex mix of biology and physics whose constraints sometimes hold misperception, distortion, illusion, or ambiguity. The designer, who possesses a basic understanding of these effects, can enhance their visual communication and prevent unwanted visual consequences. Common illusions are the result of one of the following. The first, incongruent design elements at opposite ends of parallel lines. 2. The influence of a background pattern on the overall design. 3. Our reduced perception in areas of limited contrast. And 4. The perception of after images resulting from eye movement or kinetic displays. And 5. The inability to perceive objects' spatial structure due to the limited context provided. So here's a real-life application. Familiarize yourself with the common visual illusions and how they might be used to the designer's advantage. Understand that objects' surroundings will have a dramatic effect on the perception of that object. Brightness and contrast illusions. Our perceptions of brightness varies depending on the surrounding visual environment. We perceive contrast in value within its context. Two surfaces of identical brightness are perceived differently amid contrasting surrounding areas. Scintillating illusions. Scintillating illusions appear to twinkle as the eye scans across them, such as seen in the Hermann grid, where the brain flashes ghosting negative color at the grid intersections. The mind sees images that are not there. Weight-shifting illusions. Elements exhibiting a direction, arrows and triangle shapes, and those possessing visual weight distort the normal visual appearance of surrounding objects. In Giordano's illusion, the triangles appear to distort the octagon. Crooked tiles. Be aware that all elements exert a visual effect on one another. The visually weighted areas above appear to distort and divide the red horizontal rules that are actually straight.